You know, there's a hawker-style food court that just opened in Lahug. Makan Ahooy celebrates Cebuano food culture and lifestyle by offering a wide variety of dishes at super affordable prices. This food court in Salinas Drive has a lasagna place, Korean food stall, shawarma outlet, lutong bahay stall, and the street food stalls. Offering dishes from all over the world. In this place, enjoy lasagna, kebab, samgyeopsal, barbecue, putu and sikwate, siomai, ngohiong, ginabot, bambi, batchoy, nasi goreng, and a lot more. You should go to Makan Ahooy on your next food trip. Gotta go.